Hi, and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at the Real Madrid third shirt, and this is from the 25-26 season. And this shirt was purchased from kitjj1.com. Now, kitjj1 might be a new name to you, but this is actually kitgg. It was BR fans as well. So yeah, one of the long-term sellers, just rebranded. I guess that their domain has been taken down. So I will leave a link to kitjj1 in the description of this video. I'll also leave a DHGate link as well for my usual seller. I think it should be direct to Real Madrid items, because obviously being a popular team. So the shirt is the fans version, so you can tell embroidered, and that's embroidered as well. Delivery timescales is in between that sweet spot of 10 to 15 days, so it really cannot fault that at all. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments, questions, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But right now we're going to unpack this shirt, which is the Real Madrid third shirt for the 25-26 season from kitjj1.com. As I say, let me know in the comments what you think to this one. Okay, we'll start at the front of the shirt, and this has got a proper retro vibe to it. Whether it's because you've got the Adidas stripes with like the jagged edges, I'm not sure. Maybe it's going to be the whole look, isn't it? The jagged edges, the retro Adidas look, and just the shirt in general. Collar line, got a slight join there. I thought there was a mark on it then, but no, that's fine. The Adidas been embroidered on. I do like the little bubbles that sit in the back of it. Real Madrid crest again embroidered on. And then we have the shirt sponsor, which is Emirates Fly Better. And this is a rubberized sort of vinyl. Got a nice feel to it. Sleeve, you've got both the like singular white stripe, and then we have HP on here, which again is the same rubberized vinyl as the sponsor. Usually that's plastic, but yeah, rubberized this time. At the bottom we have Aero Ready. The material, quite a silky sort of feel to it. Actually really quite nice. I do like this shirt actually. I play football on a Thursday. One of the teams wears yellow, one wears blue. And to be fair, I probably should wear this one if I'm on the blue team. But you never know what team you're going to be. But yeah, really, really nice front of the shirt. So what we'll do now is we'll flip it around and we'll take a look at the reverse side as well. Okay, we're on to the reverse side. Collar line continues around. You've got like that little padding bar at the top there, stitching a little bit wonky, but no one's really going to notice that. You've then got the Real Madrid club football on the back, and that's rubberized as well. No name or anything on the back of this one. Just kept it plain. I sometimes prefer them plain, especially to be honest now, if I'm going to wear them when I go and play, because I'm nowhere near as good as any of these players. Back when I was a little bit younger, I could run a little bit, but yeah, right now, get into the older side of my career. So yeah, keep them nice and plain. But that is the reverse side. We'll take a look at the inside now and check out how the stitching looks. Okay, we're on to the inside of the shirt, and you get the standard sort of like product code, QR code, which is joined to one of these sort of tags. Just what they're putting them to try and make them look a little bit more authentic. So you know, if you get a shirt with that Adidas JSY, then it's going to be more likely not legitimate. And if you type these product codes in up here onto Google, it will show you a completely different image to what this item is. The Real Madrid crest, stitching doesn't look too bad. Probably one of those ones though, if I was to wear this, I'd wear something underneath it, because that would, yeah, rip on your chest. The Adidas doesn't look too bad. You've got some of this old card here. If this doesn't pull off, as simple as that, the recommendation is just to put some lukewarm water on it, and then it'll peel off nice and easily. Sponsor, smooth as can be. You cannot even feel where that is at all. I think this is the sleeve with HP on it, and again, no issues at all. The only crease is from where it's been in the bag. At the bottom we do have our wash instructions. The recommendation when washing these shirts is to flip it inside out and put it on a hand wash setting. Never also tumble dry them, just let them hang dry. You can see where the cut is for the hemline, A little bit wonky, but yeah, no one's ever gonna see that. And the stitching under the arms looks absolutely fine. So there's the first part of the inside of the shirt done. Let's take a look at the final part now. Okay, the final bit now, and there's that neck support that I was mentioning earlier, and then you've got the Real Madrid, which we said earlier was rubberized vinyl, nice and smooth, and then you've got the sizing of the shirt, XL. This is a fans version, so yeah, XL is pretty much what it's going to be like. If I push in, you can see the outline, just because it is like raised, stitched on, but you can't see through the material at all. I've just noticed a bit of excess cotton there on the joint of the sleeve. That side's okay, but nothing else really to call out on the inside of this shirt. Hemline on this side looks neater, to be fair, but yeah, nothing else really to show you on this side. And there we have it, our Real Madrid third shirt for the 25-26 season from kitjj1.com. All the information for the seller will be in the description of this video. I really like this one because it has that retro look to it, and for people that have been around here a while, you'll know that I do love retro shirts. So this is a 25-26. It has got that retro look with the jagged Adidas stripes, and then the older style Adidas embroidered kit manufacturer patch just there. As I said, I will leave a link to kitjj1 in the description of the video, along with a DHGate link to my usual seller, enabling you to check out their items as well. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments, questions, by all means leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Also, if there's any shirts you'd like me to look at, please do let me know. I'm always interested to try and find some different ones that we've not looked at on the channel. We've gone through, well, quite a lot now. I think we're probably up to about 500 videos of football shirts on the channel now. So yeah, we've done quite a lot. So thank you very much everyone for all the support so far. But as I said, I will leave a link to kitjj1.com in the description of the video. If you enjoyed it, let me know. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.